Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, your Discover boss, and we're here with another exclusive. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. Once that red subscribe button is still red, just click it. You can pause the video right now if you need to pause it. I'm waiting. Just click that subscribe button, turn it gray, and join the More Reviews family. Remember to like this video, leave a comment as well, and definitely share. I know you already seen the comments where we are today. I'm basically doing an update on this project. We haven't visited back this location in a while, so I'm just sharing it with you guys what's happening on this project. If you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options in terms of how you can donate to support the channel. And also the ultimate aim is to get a drone, a good quality drone for the channel. So that's one of the things we're working towards as well. We're trying to get to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st or before. It is still possible, guys. Still very possible. So all your contribution is needed, all your support, all your shares, all your all your comments, that's very much needed. So we're back in halfway tree. That's where we are today. Alright, so this is basically Southdale Plaza expansion and renovation. So this is one of those, or this was one of those older type plazas that over the years have deteriorated. So they moved out all the tenants, and now they are renovating. Some of the tenants that were over here were let me try to remember some of them. Terrace, I think Terrace Bar and Restaurant was over here. Emmanuel Boutique, I think a cafe was here as well. So quite a few number of shops were here, both food, clothes, and otherwise. So they have basically relocated to accommodate this expansion and renovation. And I guess when they're finished, they'll move back in. So Southdale Plaza expansion and renovation. I did a previous video on this project. I'll put that in the description and in the comments so you can see where it's coming from. So work is full speed ahead over this plaza. Work is in progress. I'll show you guys a better view in a while of this Southdale Plaza, and there's also a next section behind me as well. So I'll show you guys around in a little bit. And as usual, guys, thanks for the continued support. Thanks for all the likes. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the suggestions. Thanks for all the support. Really, really appreciate it. So Southdale Plaza expansion and renovation. So that's Lane Plaza over there. Alright guys, I think they could have gone up with another floor and make it 3 floors in total. What do you guys think about that? It's only 2 floors. It was 2 floors before as well, but I think they could have gone up to 3 floors. But let me know what you think, guys. Remember to leave your comment, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video as well. And see you on another review, another tour.